Let's look at how we can calculate a correlation in Excel 2016 for Mac. Now here we have Beep Beep's bedtime snacks, the data that we have. So here's Beep Beep. He wants to say hi again. Hello. Now what we want to do is we want to calculate a single value that describes how closely these numbers are related to, and this is called the Pearson correlation coefficient, or we just call it correlation, and the symbol for it is R. The way we're going to do it is with the data analysis Toolpak. So we go to data, and here's the data analysis. If you don't have the data analysis installed, it's free, and you need to watch the video on how to do that. So I click data analysis, and I am going to go to correlation. I choose correlation, and it says the input range. And what we want to do is we want to do all the columns of all the numbers that we want to correlate. Here we've just got two variables, so I'm going to copy the entire table. It's grouped by columns. Each variable is in one column. The labels are in the first row, cookies and Coke. Those are the names of the variables. Now the output range, I am going to put it next to it. Now notice that when I clicked on output range, the highlighted cell went up to input range, so I need to click in the output range. And now I can put like D4, and that's where the output will be. I press OK, and we have some numbers that need rounding, first of all, because that's too many decimal points. So I'm going to go to, well, the whole table that it created is highlighted. I'm going to go to Home, and I'm going to go to the Number section, and under the format, I'm going to choose Number, and there it's rounded everything off to 2 decimal points. Now, notice how it lists all the variables in this column and all the variables in this row, and it tells how the variables are related to each other. So Coke is always perfectly related to Coke. When he has 1 can of Coke, he has 1 can of Coke. So all the variables in the diagonal, even if we had more variables, would always be 1. But the cookies and Coke are very strongly related negatively. As Coke, the negative sign means that as Coke, the number of cans of Coke goes up, 1, 2, 3, the number of cookies go down, 8, 7, 3, and it's minus 0.94, so minus 1 is as strong as it can get, so this is a strong negative correlation between cookies and Coke.